baby, don't stop all this crying.
Welcome to Harper's Playhouse. Today we're doing the all-new crybabies.
They are all new, aren't they, huh? And you wouldn't believe that these are actually crybaby dolls. These are new for 2021. And these are, do they have names?
The Fantasy Pets.
The Fantasy Pets. And what's really neat about these are plush, but they're hard. If you look right here, right there, you fill them up with water and they will cry. Did they have names? You see names in them?
That's what I'm looking. Let's see. I don't see no names though.
We'll have to put the names down in video description. We'll have to look them up. You would think that they would have names. Do you want to name this one? What do you want to name this one? Sarah?
Daddy.
Daddy? What? How about Sarah? Daddy. Okay, what about this one then?
This one is Daddy.
What? And let me guess. Daddy?
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
What?
Or you can call it Rainbow.
All right, we can call this one Uni
Rainbow. Because they got rainbow hair.
or Ass Rainbow.
I was waiting for her to say that. That's why I said that on purpose.
Well, for those that don't know, when Harper poops, she can sit on the toilet for at least 20 to 30 minutes doing absolutely nothing. And when she gets up, she has a toilet bowl lying around her butt. So I've called it, officially now I call it Ass Rainbow. You have to see it to believe it. But anyways, let's fill one of these up with water. I don't think we're gonna do them all because they're just too adorable to mess up. But we will put some water.
Kids are falling in there.
Oh no! But here, go fill one of them up with water, and we'll go from there. But they're just too cute to put them on. Let me have Ass Rainbow, please. Because I actually got to get a close up of this one. So you can see right here, really adorable, super cute, nonetheless. But yep, you fill them up with water and you see those little holes in their eyes. Apparently they're gonna cry magic tears through those eyes. And like I said, this is the Fantasy series. Okay, so let's
Ready?
take a look. Well, see, you're gonna give them a camera. I ain't got this waterproof.
Well, I did it lightly.
Yeah,
and that's what happened.
Okay. Aww. Are you sad? Yeah. You got Ass Rainbow. Oh, it's okay. Be happy to have Ass Rainbow. It's cute. Is it hard to squeeze?
Squeeze the belly. No, it's easy. Yeah, just squeeze it lightly. Don't push it too hard though.
Well, actually,
Oh,
turn it
it's
towards
spread
you.
everywhere.
Squeeze it towards you, like this. Yeah, there. It's
Squeeze the
easier.
belly.
Real hard.
Oh, it squirted you.
Oh no, he's going potty on you.
It's cute.
You like that, huh? You like getting squirted by the little Ass Rainbow.
They don't sit up too well either.
No.
Because they're top heavy.
Well, Sarah does.
Sarah, but the
Sarah's
unis
top does.
fall down the horse.
Whoa. He just keeps bringing you down, huh? All right, look at the camera. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Squirt you next time.
Squirt you next time.
You need to calm down, Uni. You just keep peeing on everybody. It's my turn to pee on people. But I'm not full of pee-pee. I went potty this morning.
Go get pee-pee.
Okay, Mom gets pee-pee. Oh, she pee-peed all over the table.
Oh my. You're super cute. Maybe get more water.
There it is, watch. It's like when we go to the park. Here we go. Oh, I can go to the park and I can cool you off. I sure can. Oh yes, I can get you like that when we play at the park and you're all hot and sweaty. Except I might get dirty. I don't know if I want to get dirty.
Yeah.
Do you like me? Are you my friend? Will you be nice to me forever and ever? Thank you. Whoa! He got so excited, he shot you in the face.